Have you ever felt unsure about a decision, unable to choose a side? If so, you might have been on the fence. Let me share a funny story about a student who misunderstood this idiom. One day, she was asked to help set up chairs for an event, but she was hesitant to commit. She said, "I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about it." The organizer looked puzzled and replied, "What do you mean? Just put the chairs where they need to go." The student realized her mistake and felt embarrassed. The idiom on the fence means to be undecided or neutral about a particular issue or choice. Let's see how the idiom is used correctly. Imagine a friend is trying to decide whether to accept a new job offer or stay at their current position. You might say, "I know it's a tough decision, but you've been on the fence about it for weeks. It's time to make a choice." Here are some more examples of using on the fence in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I'm on the fence about going to the party tonight. I'm not sure if I feel like socializing." In a formal setting, the committee members were on the fence about approving the new project proposal. In a humorous context, "She's been on the fence about trying the spicy food, but I think she should just go for it." To remember the meaning of on the fence, think of a visual image of someone literally sitting on a fence, unable to decide which side to jump down on. This image can help you recall the idiom's figurative meaning of being undecided or neutral. The idiom on the fence likely originates from the imagery of sitting on a fence, unable to decide which side to jump off. Over time, it has evolved to describe indecision or neutrality in various contexts. Some similar idioms include sitting on the fence, straddling the fence, and fence-sitting. These all convey the idea of being undecided or unwilling to commit to a particular position. On the other hand, idioms like taking a stand or choosing a side are the opposite of being on the fence. For example, you could say, "I've been on the fence about buying a new car, but I finally decided to take the plunge and get one." Rephrasing this without the idiom would be, "I've been undecided about buying a new car, but I finally made the decision to get one." I remember a time when a colleague of mine was on the fence about accepting a promotion. He was worried about the increased responsibilities, but ultimately, he decided to take the job. The on-the-fence idiom perfectly captured his indecision, and it helped me understand his thought process. A similar expression to on the fence is "I'm sitting on the fence," which is also correct and commonly used. Both phrases mean being undecided or neutral about a choice. A mistake would be using on the fence when someone has already made a decision. Now, let's test your understanding of the idiom on the fence. 1. What does the idiom on the fence mean? A. To be undecided or neutral. B. To be sitting literally. C. To be making a choice. Answer A. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with on the fence? A. Taking a stand. B. Straddling the fence. C. Choosing a side. Answer B. 3. Which of these expressions is the opposite of on the fence? A. Sitting on the fence. B. Sitting on the sidelines. C. Jumping off the fence. Answer C. In summary, the idiom on the fence is a common expression used to describe being undecided or neutral about a particular issue or choice. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to formal settings. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom on the fence in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you would apply this expression in your own life. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.